What's good, beautiful? Welcome back. If you are new to this, I am Zakia, aka KB Natural. I got something special for you today. This is no tutorial, this is no product review. This is something that I think every natural hair girl, if you are interested in going natural and you are like, okay, what do I need to go natural? What kind of products do I need? What kind of tools do I need? I am going to provide all of that for you in this video. I'm still on my journey, but I can tell you I am literally doing so well in my journey, and I want to share with you what has helped me on this journey. So I'm going to start off with products, and then lastly we're going to talk about tools. So the first thing that we want to talk about is shampoos. Usually when you are jumping right into this journey, you did the big chop. If you didn't do a big chop, you're just ready to start. You're trying to figure out, okay, shampoos. You have to do your research to figure out why shampoos are not so good for you and all of the other good stuff. Shampoos literally are supposed to be for your scalp. It's not really supposed to be for the hair because it can strip the hair. What I really like to do with my shampoos is I like to shampoo my scalp, and then I will rinse all of that out and it will get into my hair. It will just fall through my hair. So I'm going to start talking about shampoos. I want to talk about a very important day that you will start to add to your routine. That day is called wash day. So on wash day, you have to have you can either co-wash, you can pre-shampoo or whatever. That's something that you'll have to decide. Personally, I do not do that just because it's a lot of time. Like, wash day is a whole day. It's taking up basically your entire day. So adding the pre-shampoo and the co-wash, that's just way too much. But you will figure out what's best for you. This is one of my favorite shampoos so far. This is the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. And this has some really, really good natural ingredients in here and really good nutrients. So this has castor oil and aniseed oil. So these are also really good for the scalp. I think this has like ginger and lemon peel, which helps with like dandruffs and itchy scalp and stuff like that. So this is one of my favorite shampoos. Smells so good. It really does smell like ginger peel, and it works really good on my hair. It like I said, it has great nutrients in here, and it has a really, really good lather. So you can already see how much that I've used so far. I typically co-wash as well. Like, I go on and off. I'll go into that later. Now, I want to talk about moisturizing shampoos. Moisturizing shampoos are really good for the hair as well. There's a couple that I use that does not strip the hair. So there is the Carol's Daughter Wash to Foam shampoo. I'll leave that here. So that shampoo right there, that shampoo is a moisturizing shampoo, and you can literally just put the applicator to your scalp and it'll foam up. You can rinse your scalp and it feels amazing. So that's a moisturizing shampoo I would recommend. Another moisturizing shampoo I would recommend, I can't remember the name of it, but I will leave it right there. That is a really good moisturizing shampoo too. So you want to be careful with shampoos just because it will strip your hair of all of the oils, everything that you need, all of the moisture, all of that good stuff. It will strip your hair of that. So you want to be careful when you are choosing your shampoos. These shampoos that I'm showing you, they are shampoos that do not strip your hair. And like I said, I start shampooing from the scalp. I do not shampoo and lather my hair, basically because I want to avoid stripping at all costs. So the next thing I want to talk about is deep conditioners. Deep conditioners are made to moisturize your hair. When you're done shampooing, if you do use a stripping shampoo, deep conditioners are made to put all of that moisture back into your hair and basically waking your hair up from that shampoo. So it makes your hair looks more alive. That's what it's supposed to do. I'm going to show you my deep conditioners, and I'm going to show you what I've used. So this is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. This is another one of my favorites. Honey, let me show you. Yeah, empty. Definitely a favorite. So I definitely have to go get some more of this. It is so good. It's moisturizing. It leaves my hair feeling so soft after I sit under the heat with it. Like, it's really good. So I would recommend this if you are low porosity, which that is what I am. I would definitely recommend this TGIN Honey Miracle Mask. It is one of my favorite conditioners. It probably is my favorite conditioner. So definitely this one. Another that I would recommend is the Mielle Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. This is what this looks like, and I'm gonna show you another why it's my favorite. You see that? Barely anything left. So this is another one of my favorites. I literally swear by this shampoo. It smells so good. It smells just like mint, and it melts into my hair when I step from under the heated dryer. If you not using a deep conditioner, what you doing? What you doing? Sus, get you a deep conditioner. All right, get you a deep conditioner. Leave-in conditioners, why are they so important? Leave-in conditioners are important because it's basically like the base of your styling. So you have your shampoo, you rinse that out, you got your deep conditioner, you rinse that out, now you are ready to style. So leave-in conditioner is seriously the base of the styling. It's the base moisture for your styling, and it's supposed to provide you with long-lasting moisture, so you want to make sure that you find you a good one. So my leave-in conditioners, I'm going to share with you what I use for my leave-in conditioners. If you do not use leave-in conditioners, then what you would do is you would use another moisture, which is either a cream or a hair milk. So I'm going to get into those, but right now I'm going to show you the leave-in conditioners that I use. The first one that I recently just started using is the Melanin. This is the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. Another one of my favorites, which I've been holding on to, is, do y'all hear that? It's empty. Ain't nothing in here. So this is another one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. This is the As I Am Classic leave-in conditioner. Okay, so if you rather not use a leave-in conditioner and you're just like, I'd rather use a cream or milk, let me show you what creams and milk that I use and that I really enjoy. I'm gonna start off with my hair milk. So this is, I've only used one hair milk, and this is the one that I've used, and it kind of makes me like not want to use anybody else's hair milk. This is the Mielle Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk. So you can see, guys, that I've used a nice little hefty amount of this hair milk. So I mean, I really enjoy this hair milk a bunch because number one, it smells good. It smells really good. And then number two, it is so moisturizing. So I usually put this on maybe like on day 5 or 6 of my wash and go, when my hair starts to feel dry and it's just like ready to be washed. And it's not wash day yet. I put this on, and it seriously, it moisturizes my hair. I mean, to the T. Okay, so my favorite parts, I'm excited for this part just because this is the styling part. This is where all the magic happens. So this part, I'm going to start off with the cream. So if you're looking for a cream and you are experiencing with wash and goes and you're just like, I want to try a cream, I'm going to tell you what cream. I done tried some creams now. So I'm going to tell you, there's some creams sitting in that shelf. You see some creams sitting over there that I ain't pick. So I'm going to show you the cream that I chose. I went out recently and I purchased the Pattern Beauty Styling Cream. This is the smallest one because I didn't want to pay $25 for the big one at the time. But I am going to pay $25 for the big one because, I mean, it's my favorite cream. This cream is more of a defining cream, and it's also moisturizing as well because shea butter is the second ingredient. But I've only used it one time, and I've used all of the other creams more than one time. And this one is the only cream that can get me, you know, excited about a wash and go. So if you're looking for a cream that moisturizes and defines, I will highly recommend the Pattern Beauty Styling Cream. Let's get into, right now I'm sticking to like wash and goes. Let's get into oils. So something to seal that moisture in. This is the Melanin Multi-Use Pure Blend Oil. Another one of my favorites. This one smells really good as well and is an amazing sealant. It is very lightweight. So it's not heavy at all like castor oil or anything like that. But it's super lightweight, and I love this. I really love this oil. So if you're looking for a lightweight oil, I will highly suggest this. I know there are probably plenty of lightweight oils on the market, but this one If y'all ever watch Miss Whitney's YouTube, then y'all know that she made a lot of her oils and stuff from scratch. So I know that she's using some good nutrients in this. So I definitely will recommend this. But if you are looking for more of a thick seal, I will recommend castor oil. Castor oil is really good for the hair. It promotes hair growth. So if you are interested in using a sealant that is a little bit heavier, I will highly suggest this. And I will suggest this for the scalp. I typically use castor oil only for my scalp, and I massage it in just so I can get my circulation flowing and all of that good stuff. Okay, so let's talk about these gels. My favorite gel. I mean, stop right here. If you've watched a couple of my past videos, pause right here and leave a comment below and tell me what gel I'm about to show you. Leave a comment below if you are a subscriber, if you watched my previous videos, and you are like, what gel is she about to choose? Because I really want to know, like, do y'all be paying attention to me when I talk about this gel? So pause right here. Let me know in the comment. Leave the minute and the second, and then tell me what gel that I'm about to pull out. Boom! This the Eco Style Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Oil. I don't even got to look at the box. I don't even gotta look at the jar because I already know the name. This is the Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. Not only is it not super heavy, it is super light. I mean, it comes in a big old bulk. This is 32 fluid ounces, so it's gonna last me a very long time. Smells amazing. It has great ingredients, which is black castor oil and flaxseed oil. I mean, it might have some other ingredients that are probably not as good, but this is better than like a wet line or anything else when it comes to ingredients. So I will highly recommend this. Moisturize. It's not one of them gels that's drying or anything like that. Like, I love this gel. This is how much that I've used so far. And not a lot, because I don't like slap that bad boy on my hair. But I mean, I ain't got nothing else to say.